discovers a little bit more each day. With big bright eyes, looking every step of the way. Splashing with laughter, just ask and explore. Today is an adventure with so much in store. Zuri discovers, Zuri discovers, Zuri discovers. What a beautiful day. Looking and learning, come along and play.
The splashing puddle.
Ooh, look, it's raining. Go and have a look. I'll get No-No.
Mama, why is the sky wet?
That's called rain.
The sky is crying. Maybe the sky is sad?
When there is too much water in the sky, then the raindrops will fall back down. That's good for the earth. Rain will help the flowers grow.
The flowers will grow really big then. I don't like the rain. I like flowers though. Wow, what are those beautiful colors in the sky?
That's called a rainbow. You'll see a rainbow when the sun is shining, but when there's also rain.
Would you like to go outside?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go then. It's still raining.
Are we going to get wet?
Maybe a little bit.
Daddy, look! Putting my shoes on.
Are we going to play in the rain?
Yes, hee hee.
I will bring an umbrella. Come on, let's go.
Yes, Daddy.
What do you see?
Water on the ground. Who is that girl?
That's you.
In the water?
Yes, that's called a reflection.
Now I'm all soaked.
That's no problem. You can try again if you want to.
Getting wet is funny.
You are totally right. Come on, it's time to go home.